Hello YouTube, what we have here is a Model 3 battery control module. Fits 2017 to 2020 Tesla Model 3s. Part number is listed on the bottom of this module, which is right here. Hard to see. It's a 1093219-10-G. So this is the underside of it where the cooling happens. So if we flip it over, it's got these Torx screws, which I believe there's 6 of them. I don't have a tripod, so I have to do this with one-handed. Take these screws out. Just 3 screws. Then that's one of the inlet or outlet pipes for the cooling of the module, which is on the top. Okay, all right. So it has like a warranty void seal thingy, whatever. Break it. We don't care. We break it, we open it. The underside's really clean of that. Doesn't show any burn marks from internal board shortage. So here's the inside. Usually around in this area, you'll see blackening, burned PCB board. Overall, this one looks clean. Don't see any damages to this board. Capacitors look fine. Everything looks good. Oh, so there you have it. The internals of a Model 3 battery control module. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.